Hi guys, I made it outside. So there are my little bare feet down there. If y'all can see my little bare feet. Probably not. Let's see. Put the light over there a little bit. But I made it outside, y'all. And there are my french fries and my french fries and my cheddar cheese. Everybody's waiting to see me. Hold on. Okay, let me make sure I'm looking halfway decent. Well, hey guys. All right, there I am. There I am, you guys. I'm outside eating tonight. There I am. So, yeah, so they got my french fries, my summer sausage, and my cheddar cheese, and my dill dressing. Well, it's not 10 people out here with me. But it's about 1,000,000 cicadas out here. I have my cool little refreshment buckets, you guys. Look at what they can do. I don't know if you can see it. They can change colors. Light purple, light blue, dark blue, green, red, light green. I think I like the green color. Reminds me of money. Something I still haven't gotten, my stimulus check. I can't wait to get it. Now, if somebody stole it, they got a problem. Not me. They gonna have a problem. Yeah, because once the IRS opens back up, all those checks that are missing where people didn't get them, and other people been stealing them out their mailbox, or postal employees been stealing them from people because the postal employees know that the person doesn't live at that house anymore. Oh yeah, you got a problem. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be out here with these cicadas. They are really loud. I can remember my brother, Richard. He loves to camp. And he used to always try to get us to camp when we got to be teenagers. It is still not one of my favorite things to do. I mean, some of the grown people in my family can camp and they can do things outside. Let me tell you something. Can y'all hear all these cicadas and crawly creatures making noise around me? Then we got crazy owls that hoot at night. And somebody got a rooster. In this neighborhood, somebody got a rooster, y'all. I didn't even know people still kept roosters in their neighborhood to make noise. Y'all will hear it in a little bit. It's gonna shock you. So yeah, my brother Richard, I'm gonna have to give a shout out to him for trying to help us with making camping experiences better for us. But that's something I gotta get used to, because I'm not used to it. I ain't never spent the night outside. I don't know. It probably is a good thing to try it one day. Get the kids, and my kids are grown, but get them and see how they like it. See how they like make it through the whole night outside, or maybe 2 nights. I know I got one daughter that has experienced it already. She loves it. Tastes good, you guys. I don't think y'all can see the grass.